Are hidden inefficiencies quietly draining your daily profits? Most cost problems don't start with a big failure. They start small. A shift running slightly over, forgotten inventory rotation, or skipped maintenance. Individually, they're minor. Together, they're a financial emergency. Most operators don't see these costs until weeks later. While paper checklists and spreadsheets are a start, they lack the real-time visibility needed to actually stop the leak. Real-time operational data changes the equation. It gives you eyes on every location simultaneously, catching issues as they happen, not when the damage is already done. By digitizing your workflow, tasks are verified with timestamps and photos. You get alerts before a cooler failure leads to spoilage or before labor hours spiral out of control. This visibility translates to real action. Consistent execution of your standard processes is the foundation of sustainable cost control. At Ops Analytica, we believe technology should be a tool, not a project. We save you time and reduce compliance costs through our fully configured turnkey implementation packages. Our platform allows you to start using the system immediately without a lengthy, complex setup. We handle the configuration so you can focus on the results. Ready to see the difference for yourself? Please feel free to ask them in the chat. There's no commitment, no cost, just a straightforward conversation.